Okay, what is the challenge going to be this time?
So this time it's going to be a little same to the other ones, like the monster trucks, but it's not. They're going to have two things missing: the water, and we have cars. So we're going to roll it down. Whoever goes the farthest, whoever doesn't go the farthest doesn't win. And we have cars.
See if we found another car.
Oh, good.
All right, let's see that bucket of cars. Hold it up so I can see it a little better. All right, that's a lot of cars. All right, who's up first?
Cooper. So it's Cooper.
Cooper's up first, folks.
1, 2.
And look at him go. Yay for Coopy.
The cars are coming now. So the first car who's coming is race the car all day night.
All right.
Beep beep.
Okay, we need a countdown.
In 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, he landed.
Okay, who's next?
Now we have pushing car.
Okay.
And 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, there he goes. Go, Coopy, go.
Now we have black speedy racing car.
All right, we need a countdown.
3. You know he's going on the side. 3,
Oh.
2, 1, go.
Oh, he goes even further.
Yeah. Now we have Joker.
We have the Joker car.
Joker van.
The Joker van, okay.
3, 2. I'm calling him Jokey. Jokey.
Jokey.
Ready for rolling in 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh. He's tied for last place.
My turn.
And next we have a Cooper Doodle.
Next we have Mr. Jeep.
Mr. Jeep. Okay. What's special about Mr. Jeep?
He's special because he's blue like aquarium and he goes aquariums all day long.
Okay.
Mr. Jeep, ready for rolling in 3, 2, 1, go.
He's in first place.
Yeah, he's in first place.
First place, right there.
We have Blue Speedy Bus. It's Blue Speedy Bus.
All right.
Blue Speedy Bus and 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, now he's in first place. He beat out Mr. Blue Jeep.
He was like kicking Mr. Blue Jeep out. Now, next we have
Well, I think we need a Cooper Doodle to go.
yeah.
Give Coopy a countdown.
Coopy, ready for launch in 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, Daddy.
And there he goes.
He's going on the dangerous one.
Oh.
Daddy, he's going on side the dangerous one.
All right. Oh, he's going on the side track. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, and he's in last place.
He's paired to driving all day night and joking.
Jokey.
And his name is called Carrier.
And here comes the Cooper Doodle. Give him a countdown. Oh, he's gone.
Next we have Mr. Race Car.
Mr. Race Car.
Mr. Race Car, ready for rolling in 3, 2, 1. Pass the camera.
Oh, he is in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th place.
No, he's in 2nd place.
No, he's in 5th place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And then the last ones are 6.
Next up, we have a Cooperdoodle again. There we go. Woo!
When I try to race my car, he always goes. Next we have.
Okay, you'll be fun.
Next we have Carrier Jeep.
Okay, we need a countdown.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, he's down close to the bottom of the pack. Okay, who's next?
He is 6. Next we have Cooperdoodle.
Cooperdoodle.
Next we have Big Blue Race Car.
All right.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, last place.
Yeah, he's in 7th place.
And next we have a Cooperdoodle again.
Next we have Wet Truck. He loves being wet and it's a truck, so he's Wet Truck.
Okay.
Wet Truck ready for rolling in 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, he's in last place.
He is in 8th place.
And next we have a Cooperdoodle again.
9th place goes to Cooperdoodle. Now we have.
Come on, Koopy.
Fire Truck. Daddy, now we have Mr. Fire Truck.
Mr. Fire Truck. Okay. Ready to launch Mr. Fire Truck?
Daddy, he sprayed water at your camera. Mr. Fire Truck, ready for rolling. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, he's at the bottom of the pack.
He's in 5. And then last one is 6. Now here comes gas car. Gas car. Next we have gas car. No Cooper.
Yeah, let Koopy launch one.
3, 2, 1, go.
And we have.
Now we got a wallet. I'm putting him last. Ooh. I'm taking a speedy car for Cooper that can't get it. Next we have White and 2.
Okay.
White 2. That's his name. His real name is White Yellow 2.
Ready?
White Yellow 2, ready for rolling in 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, he's close to the bottom.
He's 3.
All right, who's next?
Next we have gas car again. Gas car ready for rolling in 3, 2, 1, go. The mulch covered the truck up.
Yep.
Silly. Next we have my really fast car. Speedy car ready in 3, 2, 1, go.
Still bottom of the pack.
Hit 3. Next we have van. Van ready for rolling.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Who's next up on the challenge?
Daddy, do you know this is the color changer, I think.
Cool.
Next we have Hulk Smash.
Hulk smash. Okay, let's have a countdown.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, middle of the pack.
He's in 2 places.
All right, who's next?
Dinosaur car.
Why do you call it,
Stegosaurus car.
why do you call it a Stegosaurus car?
Because with a fin on the back.
Okay.
Let's go.
All right, who do we have next?
Cannon car.
All right, launch it.
3, 2, 1, go.
And who's next?
Green wheel car. 3, 2, 1, go. Ice car. My car. My car, Daddy. Yellow RV. My car. And the last one. Boost car. Booster car.
All right, who was the winner?
So the winner is. Let me calm down, Daddy. The winner is, Dad. Oh, I just did that one. It's mine. I'm coming up. Daddy, where did he put the car when I did?